I bought chin mount for my new helmet to mount my GoPro. I bought it from GoMoto. So we send it GoPro chin mount manual, some keyring as a gift, wet wipes, some L mount for GoPro, actual chin mount, more GoPro features. That mount made from plastic and aluminum, so should be strong. Check where to put it. I'm gonna make sure I want to open and close my ventilation. Shouldn't be in the way. Should be somewhere like here. I'll try to load my GoPro case to see how it looks on the helmet. Should be something like that. I can still adjust my angle where I want it. It will be a bit hard to open and close my ventilation, but I probably will keep it always opened. I have to clean it first. As it says per manual, I have to heat with air dryer. It's thicker to be more flexible. Should be alright. Most important part, not to mess it up. Yeah, something like that. Looks straight, so I think it's gonna be okay. Press it for a couple minutes, then as it says per manual, leave it for 24 hours before mounting camera. That's all. Looks pretty nice and neat on the helmet. And that's my favorite mounting position as well.